Oh, hi. Are you waiting for coffee too?
Oh, yes, I am.
This line is very long today.
Yes, much longer than usual.
I thought it would be quick.
Me too.
Maybe everyone needs coffee this morning.
Monday morning problem.
Yes, Monday coffee is important.
Very important.
Oh, wait. We are talking, but we never said our names.
Yes, good point. I'm Nick.
Nice to meet you, Nic. I'm Cheri.
Nice to meet you too, Cheri.
Meeting someone new always feels a little awkward,
Yes, that is normal.
especially in English.
Many learners feel that way.
Sometimes my mind becomes empty.
Mine too sometimes.
Really?
Yes, even native speakers have that moment.
That makes me feel better.
The secret is simple questions.
Small questions keep the conversation moving.
Exactly.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English with Cheri.
I'm Nick.
And I'm Cheri. This podcast helps adult learners practice real English listening.
Today's topic is meeting someone new.
This lesson is for beginner learners.
Level A1 to A2.
By the end of this episode, you will know simple phrases to start a conversation with someone you just met.
And you will feel more comfortable speaking English in everyday situations. Let's start with a very common phrase.
Nice to meet you.
People say this when they meet someone for the first time.
Listen to this.
Nice to meet you, Cheri.
Nice to meet you too, Nick.
Another example.
Hi, I'm Cheri.
I'm Nick. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Repeat after us. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
One more time.
Nice to meet you.
Another useful question is, where are you from?
This helps people learn about each other.
Listen. Where are you from, Cheri?
I'm from California, America. Where are you from, Nick?
I'm from Canada. Another example.
Where are you from originally?
I'm from Canada, but I live here now. Repeat after us. Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Another common question is, what do you do?
This asks about someone's job.
Listen.
What do you do, Cheri?
I work in marketing. What do you do, Nick?
I work in design. Another example.
So, what do you do for work?
I work on a design team. Repeat after us. What do you do?
What do you do?
Another helpful question is, how long have you been here?
This could mean a city or a job.
Listen, how long have you been here, Cheri?
About 3 weeks.
Another example.
How long have you been in this city?
About 3 years. Repeat after us. How long have you been here?
How long have you been here?
Another conversation starter is this your first time here?
This works in many places.
Listen, is this your first time here, Cheri?
Yes, it is.
Another example.
Is this your first time at this event?
No, I came last year too. Repeat after us. Is this your first time here?
Is this your first time here?
Another friendly question is, what do you like to do for fun?
This helps people find something in common.
Listen. What do you like to do for fun, Cheri?
I like hiking and reading. What do you like to do for fun, Nick?
I like photography. Another example.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to take photos outside. Repeat after us. What do you like to do for fun?
What do you like to do for fun?
And finally, a phrase for ending a conversation.
It was nice meeting you.
Listen. It was nice meeting you, Cheri.
It was nice meeting you too, Nick.
Another example.
I have to go now, but it was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Repeat after us. It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you. Now let's practice small situations. Hi, Nick. Are you new here?
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Cheri?
I'm from California, America. What about you?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do, Nick?
I work in design. What do you do?
I work in marketing.
How long have you been here, Cheri?
About 3 weeks.
Still very new.
Yes, very new.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Welcome.
Thank you.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like hiking. What about you?
I like photography.
I should go now.
Okay.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Now listen to a longer conversation. Hi, Nick. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Great. I'm Cheri.
Nice to meet you. I'm Nick.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome.
Thank you. I feel a little nervous.
That makes sense.
New place, new people.
Yes, the first day can feel big.
Exactly.
Where are you from?
I'm from California, America.
Oh, nice.
What about you?
I'm from Canada.
How long have you been in this city?
About 3 years.
So you know the city well.
A little.
I'm still learning it.
That takes time.
What do you do here?
I work on the design team.
That sounds creative.
It is. I enjoy it.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like hiking and photography.
Oh, I love hiking too.
Really?
Yes, I want to find good trails.
There are some great ones near the city.
That sounds exciting.
Maybe you will like them.
I hope so.
Well, I should go back to work soon.
Me too.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Now listen again and try to hear the key phrases.
Hi, I'm Cheri.
Nice to meet you. I'm Nick. Where are you from?
I'm from California, area.
What do you do?
I work in marketing.
How long have you been here?
3 weeks.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like hiking.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Now it's your turn to speak. Repeat after us.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What do you do?
How long have you been here?
How long have you been here?
Is this your first time here?
Is this your first time here?
What do you like to do for fun?
What do you like to do for fun?
It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you. Vic, what is a common mistake learners make?
Many learners say nice to meet you when they leave.
Oh,
But that phrase is for the beginning.
so what should we say at the end?
It was nice meeting you.
Good tip. Now we have a question for you.
Think about your answer.
When was the last time you met someone new in English?
And what did you say first?
Thank you for listening to English with Cheri.
Keep practicing every day.
And we will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.